It's just so many years of so many pain. I did a review and you had great reviews,
Mm.
and so I, you know, kind of looked at the information of what exactly you may do, with people that are suffering like me, and so I made that decision.
And what were you recommended before, as far as what other opinions did you get as far as your condition?
I was actually went to a radiologist, took some X-rays, and said that I had to have back surgery, and so that I knew that that's something that I did not want to do immediately without getting a second opinion and trying some other alternatives.
That sure makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Feel these tight spots right there.
Yes.
Feel that little click right there.
Mm-hmm.
You enjoyed that one, didn't you?
That was good.
Chin up slightly, a little more. Just your chin. Lay your head down. There we go.
Mm-hmm. Holy moly. That one was waiting for years.
Years, huh? That's the headache one.
Yes, I can actually feel it.
Really?
I
All right.
can feel like some release in the back.
Almost like some tension.
Yes.
I'm gonna give it a little pull, okay?
Okay.
So what we're doing is we're driving that last vertebrae from being forward back with this drop. Make sense?
That makes sense.
Were you expecting that?
No, but that was great. So I just felt some more popping on the right side on its own.
Oh yeah, it's kind of adjusting itself in the lower back area.
Yes.
Yeah. How about the neck? Does it feel a little looser?
It does feel a little looser. Yeah.
Headaches sometimes don't go away right away, but you said you already feel a
I
difference.
can feel the pressure actually decreasing.
Well, that's awesome.
Yeah. Wow.
How long have you had the headaches?
Oh, wow. I mean, this is something that I've been struggling for quite some time, at least 10 years, every day.
Really?
I've been to a neurologist. They gave me a bunch of different medications for migraines. Yeah.
Right.
So,
And did the medications work?
did not. Sometimes they'll make the headache go away, but it comes right back.
Right. And of course, when we take different medications and for a long time, sometimes that could have a negative effect on our body as well, as far as, unfortunately, sometimes having side effects too, right?
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Well, good. Very good. I'm looking forward to helping you. And we're just getting started, right?
Likewise, yes.
Awesome.
Definitely.
I'll see you Wednesday.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.